Hey people, so this particular video is special simply since like you all know, ever since this lockdown has begun, I've been making either audio messages or video messages for people whom I feel have really left an impact, yeah, in my mind. So, like I said, I want to go back to my early childhood, and uh, there's this, one of my classmates, Pragya Sodhani. Now she's like, she's an accomplished singer. So her mom was Dr. Alka Sodhani, and I remember seeing Dr. Alka Sodhani for the first time when I was like, I think 7 years old, or in fact even younger. Maybe I was 6, because Pragya and me have been classmates from LKG in St. Anne's, Sikandrabad. And you know, if there's anything known as a like girl crush, I've had it on Dr. Alka Sodhani from the time I was 6 years old. I mean, like, in terms of you kind of hero worship some of these pretty aunties or pretty didis that you see. So, but it's like much later, years later. Decades later, as an adult, when I met Dr. Alka Sodhani, it was to learn this Korean acupressure therapy known as Sujok, Sujok therapy. And really, yeah, I mean, to have this, like my mom, it's been 6 years since I lost mummy. So, mummy used to say, if a person is good at something, they will be good at everything. So I mean, when you attend Dr. Alka Sodhani's, I went for her class. It is so effective, yeah. I mean, Sujok therapy, it is like, my God, I mean, life altering. I mean, this other friend of mine, Swati, who went to Dr. Alka for treatment, for some backache or something. She herself said that Swati and her husband were discussing, and they realized that yes, it is super effective. So Sujok therapy, yeah, it's a new concept. I mean, compared to, like, in India, we have homeopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy, but Sujok therapy is basically Korean form of acupressure. And if you all have to learn it, Dr. Alka Sodhani is the person you have to learn it from, because wow, yeah, I mean, I attended just that's what it was, a 2-day session, I think 2 or 3 day session, and it was life altering. So really, people, once this lockdown ends, if you all want to treat yourself to something new and to a new experience, you'll have to find Dr. Alka Sodhani's page on Facebook and attend her class, because it is so worth it. So thank you, Alka auntie, for auntie feels wrong though, because if you see her, she's the most cute looking young lady you can find, and I think that is the magic, that if she's a homeopathy doctor, and she does the therapy. So if you pour your soul into any line, that I think is the secret of looking young, looking happy, looking fresh all the time. So it was an experience. So really, people, so just enroll in these classes. It's called Sujok therapy, and you can find it on the Facebook page of Dr. Alka Sodhani. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.